What's up, y'all? Today we're going to be doing an oil change on the Honda minivan. Starting this off, we're going to put the Honda minivan on some jacks. Jack it up, get it way high. I noticed there was an issue with one of the straps hanging off, but I put that on later in the video. Then I started my work on the oil change, which turned out to be quite a problem when, the drain plug doesn't come off because it was stripped. And it was also torqued to Mach, I don't even know what. You can see where I'm trying and it won't come off. I spent 20 minutes trying to get that off because I didn't want to fully strip it out, but I had to take a hammer and one of the ratchets and I was able to get it off then. Luckily I was able to get it off though, which was kind of an issue, but now that it's off, that's good. Recently, we started putting in this thing called an oil stabilizer. We put it in our Honda minivan. It's got 260,000 miles on it now. It's never used it. I tried it out and it works pretty good. Recently, after adding in the oil stabilizer, drove it for a test drive and it stopped burning oil. And it runs way better and smoother, so it seems to fix the problem that we had of burning oil. Looks good and there's no more white smoke, so should be good.